Welcome happy people, I am Grumpy Russian and today we're going to try Dyson Sphere program. I don't know much about this game, only thing that my friend recommended this to me and he told me that this game is much like Factorio but in space. So we're going to do an kinda first impression type of video. I started the game just to see if it's loaded and function correctly. So let's jump into a new game. We have a cluster seed here, so I think this is a random generated world. If you want to play on the same map as you can see, and here is a cluster seed. So enjoy. You can change amount of stars. Okay, that's cool. Let's leave it resource multiplier by 1, 64. Everything is standard. Here we can see different type of stars. I can imagine that it depends on the type of the star, what kind of resources would be on it. And we also have a black hole. Nice. Before we jump into the game, I will ask you to, if you have any game you want me to try out on this channel, please leave a comment and I will do my best to record it and show you. So let's jump into the game. Okay, it's cool. We in the ship. We cannot control it.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
This is cool. Ah, it's hot. Graphic is cool.
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Okay. Thank you. Now we can control the ship, but okay. We can turn it like this. Where do we want to land?
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
Oh, okay, they took control of the spaceship. I like graphics. Graphics is cool in this game.
This
Yeah,
is
this robot.
a lightweight industrial mecha with
Hello.
powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement.
Okay, we can
In this
mine
mission,
the resources.
you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
It's got trees. Some plant view. Okay.
Now try to recycle the space capsule. Right-click
Oh, can we
on it to
recycle?
recycle.
Right click. Okay. Is it doing it? Or what?
You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as
like
trees,
to
gravel,
use-
etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands. You receive
Okay.
several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Okay. So, let's see. We have iron ore, logs, plant fuel, hydrogen fuel or rod, iron ingots, magnets, copper ingots, and
You can hold down
organic
mouse middle
crystal.
button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Nice, this looks cool. Whoa. Okay, let's see. This must be stone. Yes, stone. Can pick up this stone. Oh yeah. So let's see. Can we do anything? Can we? You can produce smelting.
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete
Okay.
in technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology
Technology
tree
tree.
and activate a research.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So it's a kind of huge technology tree, I would say. Okay. Electromagnetism. How research consumption. Magnetic coil. Okay. To produce magnetic coil is 2 magnets and 1 copper ingot. So data value equivalent to allow 20-second workflow. Wind turbine, Tesla tower, and mining machine. Okay, let's start. Double click on this item. Okay, we don't have. Okay, this is it. Magnetic coil. To assemble it, how many do we need? 10. Let's produce. We can produce only 5. No, but it says 10. Oh, because it produced 2. One. Okay. So, oh my god. Okay. Let's pick up more resources while we wait. Where do we want to start? Production. You have unlocked the new automatic mining machines which will automatically collect ores for you. Of course, its capacity is limited. You wish to transport those materials into smelting facility automatically. Okay. So let's start
You
with
have
the
created a
what?
mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory, or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it.
What is this? This is. You can see what it is. Okay. Let's see. Inventory, then mining machines. Okay, we have
You can
reach.
use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering
Okay.
more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Electric motor, prisma, plasma exciter, wireless power tower, something of fuel, fluid, storage tank, a water pump. Okay. What is this? This is a assembly machine. Okay. This is what? Electromagnetic matrix and matrix slab. Smelter and glass. Yeah, we start with transport. It's circuits and gear. So let's start with collecting iron. So can we collect all of them? Oh yeah.
One of your production facilities is not
electricity.
powered. You need to keep it within the power coverage area and supply it with power facilities in order to maintain its normal works.
This is
Wind turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla tower to extend the area of the power grid.
okay. So next,
You have done building
Mining
the
machine.
first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
Unit capacity 300, consumption demand 24, current generation 24. Okay, so one of those wind turbine supplying like the same amount for iron ore. Can you pick it up? Oh, okay. How we? Okay, we picked up iron ore. So, how we can produce more mining machines? Iron ingots, circuit boards, magnetic coil, and gears. We can produce 2. Let's produce one of them. And we need to research too. Let's 10 circuits and 10 gears. 10 gears. We produce 1 gear. That. See, we done with the copper, and we reach all 5 of them. 5, 6 of them. 6, yes. No electricity. Okay. Tesla tower. Let's build. And one turbine also. Why not? Let's kill all trees. Timber. I'll just say. Okay. What? Are we done with this? Like one thing. Okay, now it says 1 turbine. So I was wondering about if we have any like alert when it's done. Soil pile. What? So we producing copper now. Okay, we are out of electricity. What? 150 kilowatts. This thing. How much generation? 300. Oh, this is a pole. It is a tower. Power loaded 280%. How much do you produce? 300. If you use 150. Ah, it's because of the shortage, and it's on 35%. Okay, we need to build a couple more wind turbine. How much? So it's not enough. 2 is not enough. Okay, let's build 1 more. Build 2 more. Haha. I need to build also more gears and circuits. They're working now. Power load 140%. Not enough. Okay, let's are we done with 1? Yes, we're done with 1 more. It's too close. I like the design of the building. It's very cool. And our robot, we feel like Iron Man also. Almost. And I can imagine we can fly too. So, let's see. Take 1 of them and 1 of them. And look at the power load. 93%. Okay, we produce more electricity than we consume. Nice. Let's continue with research. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And we need to have circuits. 10 circuits. We are producing 2 circuits each time, so only 5 would be enough. And let's see. Do we need to have, what is this? Stone. Let's also build
energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
Blocking of fuel. Okay. plant fuel. Oh yeah. What is this? It's like we have HP. So I think we're going to have some damage. We done with research. You have unlocked automated logistic, the conveyor belt and sorter. You can use them to automatically transport the ore, connecting the mining machines and smelting. Okay, I like.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
So automatic metallurgy, this is a smelter. You want this too. 10 magnetic coil and so we want to have 5 and circuits, also 5 circuits. What? How I can go out? Okay. So let's see. What do we need to produce conveyor load? Wait. Did I? Yes, I built one for stone too. Only 4. Can we like this? Yes. And electricity again. Let's put the wind turbine here. Let's destroy all plants. More fuel. How much we? Okay, we're using. So we have 3 how they called mining drills. Let's put the belt.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point.
Okay.
In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Okay, cool. We unlock smelting. You have unlocked the smelter. Smelter can smelt base materials such as iron and copper ingots for you. To activate full automation, you need to use a sorter to automatically pull the ore on the conveyor belt into the smelter. So let's where do I think we produce like this. So here, like that. So okay, let's I don't know how it's going to look like. Smelter. Let's build. We need to have copper, stone and iron. 3 smelters. Let's build it. Let's see. I like the graphic style. Water. Here. What is this? Can I see? Let's remove this stuff here. This is a lot of iron. Copper. 48 what? Coal, okay. We have 3 smelters. Kinda big. Okay. Can we do it? No, not like this. Okay. 1, 2.
You built
or
a
do we
smelter,
want to have
which can
a
smelt basic
space
materials,
between?
such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically, while you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously. You need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Okay. Conveyor belts here, sorters. This is a sorter. Okay.
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
Okay, put it here. Let's choose a recipe. Copper ingots. Done.
You have a building without recipe set. Please set the recipe you want. After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe. After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Or should we put them closer? Yes, let's put them closer to each other, like. Yep. What? Damn it. Top of this. Like that, maybe. Okay. And we want to build a smelter. Can we build it here? Oh, we don't have any electricity. Where is electricity? So, this stuff here. Okay. Choose the recipes item. Like this, so. Okay. So we want to produce more is magnets. We also use iron. Okay, let's move this thing out. X destroy. Let's shift copy and do it here. And the belt. And this time it's worked. Okay. So yeah. But. Damn it. Oh, of course. It didn't work. Let's build it like this, maybe. Yeah, it's worked. Sorter into this. We don't want to produce iron ingots, we want to produce magnets. Then up to magnet with smelting. Let's build one more smelter, just put it here. Stone bricks. No, what is this? This is the stone. We can just glass from it. Okay. So stone. Let's destroy the stone. Stone is coming this way. Let's put the truck here. We have more. Let's build, like we say, 10. And we produce 3 of them each time. Okay. Where is our smelter? We need to have 2. Let's line up them together like this. Okay. Is it? Can we reach stone or not? See. Sorter. Boom. Yes. Cool. Nice. I like it, and we're liking output. Let's see how we build storage. Okay, let's build one of them. Knights is wow. This plan is cool. Look, this game is beautiful. It's so sick. How irritating. The graphic is cool. Okay. Let's say, did we build our storage? It's huge. Jesus. Let's build it in the middle. Okay.
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo.
Okay.
You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Sorter to automatically stack them. Okay. I didn't build enough of them. So let's see. Where is our... Yes, we start to build them. No, it's far. So we need to place like a belt. Maybe here. Something like this. Maybe. So this looks weird. Can I just like this, like that? Core engine low. Core engine low. Okay, let's. We don't have any biofuel. This one is 40 megajoule. Okay. Okay, let's see. And we stuck because we don't put something inside. Damn it. If we pick them up by hand, then we don't need to produce them. Or yes, how we produce like that. Let's build 5 of them. So okay. See that it's this looks so weird. It's this looks so weird. I can imagine that it's gonna be very difficult to build late game items. So we need to have more power generation. Build 5. So what more we can research? Let's do this thing, electromagnetic matrix. Can you put the electricity? So we we don't produce enough electricity. Need more. But yeah, this is working kinda. So, electric circuits, or just usual circuit board. No, E, not E. How we produce? F. Let's produce 10. Boom, because we produce 2 at a time. Circuit boards, same thing, 2 at a time. And now we start to research. Nice. I think this is a good opportunity to end this video. So, what our impression of this game? First thoughts. The graphic looks good. The technology trees is huge, massive, and I can imagine that the late game items is going to be a very complicated automation for them. We saw that we can travel into the space, and I hope I can fly into other planets. I like design. Design is very cool, and I love it for now at least. And I will do a series of videos for this game too. So, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe buttons, and please leave a comment, and I will see you next time. До свидания!